Hello, I'm Princess Sally Acorn. We will learn about newspapers and magazines. You might have seen why newspapers come early in the morning, like 7 a.m. You and your family can read. Newspapers can be found everywhere across houses, public buildings, restaurants, and many more. Newspapers include various headlines and various events, with some graphical image. These publishers, you might have heard this, like the New York Times, the Tribune, Wall Street Journal, and many more. Just like you watch news channels on TV, like ABC News, Fox News channels, CNN, and others. Events can be taken place in our country, such as politics, around each and every state. This shows the determination of policy rights, Congress, and elections. Newspapers can also show you the advertisement for earning money to announce companies and products like fashion, household products, and electronics. We can also get a % off sale for discount. Reduced price can be displayed from the original price. Advertisement can also be done for architectures like universities, hotels, flats and apartments, etc. Automobiles and airlines, and others can everything be advertised. Others can be seen for horoscopes, sports events, blockbuster events, lets you watch favorite movies on cinemas and TV. For brain developing techniques, newspapers can also have Sudoku, word scrambling, quizzes and crossword puzzles. Magazines, on the other hand, can have advertisements and lifestyle, sports events and others, as similar to the newspapers. On the front of the magazine, the publisher can place various portraits for any person, animals, or film actors, or singers. So you now know how the newspapers and magazines play a role. Like, comment, and subscribe now.